If you're looking to understand how to monitor corporate travel trends in Navan, you're in the right place. This software offers powerful tools that help businesses stay ahead of the curve when it comes to corporate travel management. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large corporation, Navan can give you the insights you need to optimize travel spending and improve overall efficiency. Now, when you first dive into Navan, you'll notice that it brings together all aspects of corporate travel into one platform. It doesn't just allow you to book flights, hotels, or car rentals. It gives you access to real-time data, allowing you to track travel trends and spending patterns across your entire organization. What this means for you is the ability to spot inefficiencies, identify cost-saving opportunities, and ensure your travel policies are being followed to the letter. One of the most useful features in Navan is its comprehensive analytics. You can see detailed reports on travel expenses, trends over time, and even analyze employee behavior to make data-driven decisions. By comparing travel choices across various teams or departments, you can uncover areas where costs can be reduced or where travelers might be choosing less cost-effective options. The software also offers predictive analytics, which allows you to forecast future travel needs based on past data. This can help you anticipate budget requirements, adjust your travel policies, and plan ahead for big events or peak travel periods. Monitoring corporate travel trends in Navan is all about staying proactive and using the data at your fingertips to make smarter decisions. One key point worth mentioning is that Navan integrates seamlessly with other business tools like your CRM and expense management systems. This means that all your travel data can be synced with other aspects of your company's operations, providing a holistic view of your expenses and helping you optimize resources across the board. Now, you may be wondering, how do you get started with Navan? It's actually simpler than it seems. You can start using this software for completely free from the first link below, and that includes exclusive bonuses when you sign up. This means you can jump right in and experience the benefits of monitoring corporate travel trends without any financial commitment upfront. But don't just take my word for it. As you use Navan, you'll start to notice how much easier it is to track travel trends, monitor compliance with company policies, and manage budgets more effectively. Plus, with its intuitive interface, you don't have to be a tech expert to use it. If you want to learn more, I'll also mention that at the end of this video, you can get access to an exclusive extended free trial, giving you more time to explore the full potential of the software. By using the link in the description, you'll be able to monitor corporate travel trends in Navan with all the bonuses that come with it. So stick around and find out how this software can change the way you manage corporate travel. Keep watching.